Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about a few booktubers who talks about romance. So this is a bit of a shout out. So before that, I want to say that this year I noticed there's been a nice shift in people who are picking up romance. Once a few, there's the wedding proposal, there's a Cole's book, the Seventh Husband of Evelyn Hugo. There's a couple of other, the Kiss Quotient. There's a couple other romance novels that I find that people were picking up and talking about, and normally these are again authors or books that people probably wouldn't have read. The booktuber that I will be talking about, however, these three always read romance. They are known to read romance on their channel, and I'm going to give them a bit of a shout out. There are others that are going to be added throughout the week, but for now these three I'm going to talk about. First one is Brie Hill, and Brie Hill does classic romance. These are more of small town romance that you might see a movie about on Hallmark or any other lovey-dovey channels. And but again, these are classic, and these are the kind of romance that certain people will enjoy more because it focuses more on romance than of a sexual relationship. And often they have struggles and how they get through the struggle and the romance blossom and the feel-good ending. So that's her and her niche, and I do feel like a lot of people can relate more to her, the kind of romance that she likes to read. So definitely go check her channel out. I would definitely leave these guys' channel in the description bar. Now the second one is Steph's Romance Book Talk. And she is very out there daring. She likes the smut. Yes, she wants the steam, the romance, the erotic moments, all that. But she wants a storyline as well. So if the book is sexy and steaming but there's no storyline, she will tell you whether or not. Don't waste your time reading it. She likes a balance. And she also likes to have book discussion. And she talks about her favorite male character or female character, or the different levels of steaminess the books might have that she talks about. But she reads a lot. She does weekly reviews, and sometimes she reads maybe 5 books in a week, and I'm like for it. She also talks about authors I never heard of. Like there's a few authors I'm like, nope, don't know that author. And I think I dip and dab a lot in romance. So when I see another author I'm not aware of, I'm always like intrigued and want to look it up. So I definitely think she is the person that is all about romance, and she has a lot of books that she reads. And the third person I'm going to talk about is Unbound Book review. Yeah, and she's probably the closest as far as books that I enjoy. A lot of times if I read a book, I will go to her channel, see if she's read it, and if she's read the book, it's almost how I feel is how she feels about the book. She's the one that I for some reason we have very similar tastes in romance novel. And she's now a published author, and I'm all for that. I can't wait to read her book. And she also introduced me to Penelope Douglas. She was that author that talked about Punk 57 and how much she loved it. And I'm like, okay, let me read it. And I love the book, but then I was like, let me venture in some more. And that's when I realized, wow, I can handle dark romance. Dark romance is not everybody's niche. But this year I find that I enjoy dark romance, and she introduced me to that area of romance that I never thought was possible to enjoy. And yes, I'm for the dark romance as well. So definitely, I think these three booktubers are completely different. They read completely different books. Very rarely their books cross paths that they enjoy. But again, they're there for people who are interested in reading romance and not sure what kind of romance novel that they may want to read. Definitely check these characters, these booktubers out. They'll give you a nice review of the books without spoiling it for you. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. It's a short one, and I enjoyed my vacation. It's 2 weeks in. time's flying, and I'm having a bit of my romance myself. Yes, guys, I've been dating. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good day.